Thinking of switching guilds in Lords Mobile? Hello guys, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. And in this video, I'll guide you through the process of changing your guild in Lords Mobile to find the best fit for your strategy. Let's get started. To change your guild in Lords Mobile, first launch the game on your device. And then you need to leave the guild you are currently in to switch to another one. In order to do that, tap on the guild icon at the bottom of the screen. In the home page, there is an option at the end to manage your guild. Go ahead and tap on it. And then there is the basic guild setting displayed on the screen. Tap on the Leave Guild button. Tap on the Leave Guild button again and hit Confirm. Now to join a new guild, tap on the guild icon again. And you can sort specific guild you want to join, or you can just tap on the apply or join button of any guild you're interested in from the numerous options. And that's it, you've successfully changed your guild in Lords Mobile. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Make Gaming Easy for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.